back to another video. So as promised, I am back with the base makeup tutorial for this look, which I had created with the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow singles. Yeah, I got it right. So I did not want to make that video about the base, and I didn't want to create any distractions. So I just created the eye look in that video, and now I'm here with the base video tutorial for you guys, because it's been a long time since I did a full glam, full coverage kind of a base. So let me just stop talking and let's get right into the video.
So first I'm using this orange corrector called D31 from the Derma range of Kryolan professional makeup, and I'm using a small concealer brush in order to get this product on to the areas on my face which are dark. So I'm concentrating mostly on the inner corners of my eyes. That is where I have darkness under the eyes, and then I'm going around the corners of my nose, the corners of my mouth, actually around my entire mouth area, concentrating a little bit more on the corners of my mouth, and also along the jawline, because I've seen that in pictures that area also looks dark if I don't correct that part of my face first before using a concealer. And then I'm also going on my forehead. And then I'm using this Ben Nye RHY1 yellow highlight, and I am just dabbing a little bit of this product under my eyes on top of the corrector. So what this does is this will give that extra brightness to your under eye area, and your eyes will look really awake. And then I'm using this Essence Stay All Day Long 16-hour foundation, and I'm using a damp YBP Makeup Perfector sponge to get this on to my entire face, neck, and also a little bit on my ears, and I'm going to really blend it well into the skin. And then I'm using this shade called D64. It's a foundation shade from Derma range, again from Kryolan Professional Makeup. And I'm going to use this as a concealer under my eyes, concentrating again on the inner corners of my eyes, but also taking it down a little bit so that I can blend it along with the foundation so that everything looks well blended. And then I'm using a little bit more foundation, and I'm just going to blend that onto my face along with the edges of the concealer that I've just put on under the eyes. And then I'm putting the foundation on my neck area as well so that everything is seamless. And then for blush, today I'm using this cream blush from the Ben Nye Rouge wheel. The details of all the products that I'm using today, I am going to put them down in the description box below, so please do check it out for more details. And then I'm just using the YBP sponge again to ensure that my blush is well blended into the skin. And then I'm using this compact from Colorbar. It's their Radiant White Fairness Compact Powder. This is in the shade number 3 Sandy Nude, and I'm just again using the damp sponge in order to pick up the product and powder my face really well, especially on the areas which need a little bit of highlighting, because this powder is a little lighter for my skin tone. So for highlighting my under eyes, around my mouth, and in the center of the forehead is something that this will really help. But in general, I'm using it all over my face and neck. I'm not using any contour today, but you can go ahead and contour your face either with a powder product after powdering or with a cream product before powdering. And then I'm using this makeup finishing spray from Skindinavia. I'm just spraying it all over my face and using the damp sponge again to press it into the skin. For highlighting today, I'm using this Glow Getter Duo Highlighter from Nykaa, and I'm just using a fan brush from Kryolan, and I'm going to highlight all those high points on my face, especially the cheekbones. This highlighter is really good. It can work as a natural highlight for your skin, and you can also build it up to give a very good strong highlight. And now I'm just going to finish my eyebrows, lips and eyes, and I'll see you in just a bit.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you are notified of every single video of mine. So thank you so much for watching and being here, and I will see you again very soon with another cruelty free video. then. Take care. Bye bye.